How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to talk about how to get rid of armpit hair permanently, a tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So to get rid of armpit hair, it's actually very, very simple to get rid of this. It doesn't take a lot of things. So what I normally do when I get rid of my armpit hair is I trim. So what that means is pretend this is the hair. What I will do is I will cut the hair about right here. So if this is my skin and this is the hair, I'll cut the hair probably about this much off. So I'll get rid of all this and I'll just keep just a little bit of hair. The reason why I do this is, one, I don't mind having just a little bit of hair on my armpits. The second reason why is because anytime you wax, pluck, or shave, and you get rid of the hair completely from the skin, you're at a much higher risk of getting ingrown hairs or razor bumps. When I was doing this, when I was shaving, I was getting ingrown hairs, lots of them. So I've stopped doing that. I trim now. I get a pair of scissors and I just go as close to the skin as I can and I cut the hair off. Very, very simple to do. Now, if you want to get rid of it permanently, you don't want it to come back ever, because mine will come back. What you need to do is you need to wax. Very, very simple waxing. Plucking is the better option, but with armpit hair, there's lots of it. It's a big surface area, so you don't want to have to be plucking every single individual hair. Waxing is definitely the best way to go about it. What happens when you wax is you pull the hair directly from the root. When you're shaving, you don't actually get the hair from the root. What you do is you actually cut the hair in half. That's why shaving, the hair comes back thicker and faster, because again, you're not completely removing the hair from the root, you're just cutting it off. So waxing is by far the best option. If you wax long enough, pulling the hair from the root, it actually damages the hair follicle, the root, and it doesn't come back as fast or as often. So you wax long enough, eventually that hair will be gone forever. Guaranteed. Same thing happened with my eyebrows. Plucked them all the time, waxed them, don't come back anymore. So end of video. Thank you so much for watching.